What's up, YouTube? It's Scott Dukes. I'm back again. All right. I'm here today to show you, unbox, review, show you the on-foot of the Jordan Max Aura 2 white, black, Neptune green. All right. And for all you guys that love the Jordan Max Aura, you Jordan Max Aura 1 and 2 collectors, listen, I got a different color for you. This came out last year. Ordered it on December 28th. But it got here in January, all right? I'm a little late on the reviewing, but I know there are Jordan Max Aura lovers out there. That's why I do the Jordan Max Aura. And the case for anybody that doesn't like the Jordan Max Aura, all right? They're just another Jordan, all right? Even though it's not as expensive as the retros, which are more popular, but they are still Jordans. You understand what I'm saying? They're still Jordans that people can afford. Because I see people in my comment saying, these are the downgrade from Jordan 4s. Are you sure they're a drip? Yes, for other people they're a drip. All right, for people who like Jordan Max Auras, they are a drip. You understand what I'm saying? As a matter of fact, old heads. All right, let me talk about old heads. Old heads like me. I'm damn near 40 years old. All right, but there's a lot of other people, old heads in particular. They don't want to change their mind. All right, anybody that's over 30 to 40 to 50. They've watched Michael Jordan their entire life, so they don't want to change any shoe. You understand what I'm saying? They just want to wear Jordans and more Jordans and more Jordans. You understand what I'm saying? There was a time back then when 10, 15, 20 years ago, people were not wearing Vans. I've said this before in one of my videos. People were not wearing Vans. Now, I grew up in the projects. You understand what I'm saying? Brooklyn, New York. I didn't see one black dude that was wearing Vans. All right, that was looked at as something that rock people that hear rock music or skateboard do. Now, fast forward 20 years later, black people are wearing Vans. You understand what I'm saying? It's more popular among the black culture. Now, that's something I don't understand. I just guess there has been a merge between two cultures, the rap culture and the rock culture. That's the only thing I can see that as. You understand what I'm saying? Is it positive? Hell yeah, it's positive, because people are not copying each other's style, which they would have never done before. You understand what I'm saying? But the old heads, okay, the old heads are people that they just want to wear Jordans. They don't want to change their mind. You understand what I'm saying? Anything that they see, all right, the new Jordan Mars 270, I'm like, nah, I don't like that. The Yeezys, nah, I don't like that. Balenciaga, nah, I don't like that. So what would you like then? If you don't like any of it, give me them Jordan 3s. Give me them Jordan 4. Oh, I like the Jordan 13. This is the type of old head guys that they don't want to change their mind at all. You understand what I'm saying? But me, listen, I'm a different old head. You understand what I'm saying? The Jordan 11 Breads are my favorite shoe in the whole world. I rock that over any other shoe. But if you ask me, will I wear the Balenciaga? Hell yeah, I will. Will I wear the Yeezys? Hell yeah, I will. You understand what I'm saying? But at the same time, let's get back to this Jordan Max Aura 2. This particular Jordan Max Aura 2, like I said before, it's not the most expensive Jordan, but they are one of those Jordans that's affordable. You understand what I'm saying? And I know there are people out there that love Jordan Max Auras. And if it's you that love the Jordan Max Aura and you're watching this video, understand that I do these shoes in order to reach those people. You understand what I'm saying? So if you like those, you're gonna see on my channel all the different colors of Jordan Max Aura. Just go ahead and click on my video. I'm reaching a bunch of people out there that's Jordan Max Aura lovers. You understand what I'm saying? These kicks, in my opinion, they're stylish. Okay, You know what I mean? And they got good quality. You know, if you don't have it yet, go check it out. You know what I'm saying? You can't close your eyes to everything. You have to look beyond the same style all the time. You know what I'm saying? So let's take a look at these kicks and let's see what it looks like. All right. And in case you don't have these yet, they come in a box that looks just like this. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Now, guys, like I said before, these Jordans to me are stylish. All right, for all you Jordan Max Aura lovers, this is another color. All right, it's got that Neptune green. I haven't seen that before, even though I've seen these Jordan Max Auras that come in gray and white and black, but with the Neptune green there, that's definitely a different color. This particular one is made of all leather. They kind of remind me of the Jordan 13s. Like I said, this side right here kind of remind me of the Jordan 13s. Anyone that wear this type of shoe, you will know they're light on feet. All right, that's number one. And they're comfortable. That's two things that I like right there. All right, they're stylish, they're light on feet, and they're not that expensive. Definitely, and they're Jordans. All right, it's definitely a different drip. If you love the Jordan Max Auras, that's your choice. You know what I'm saying? I'll definitely rock this anytime. I'll definitely rock this. What I really notice about the Jordan Max Aura are these soles are very, very chunky. All right. This part right here is the most important part, the bottom, right? This is where you feel your most comfortable. This is where your comfort comes from. You know what I'm saying? Because they got this little bubble down here. All right. It makes the heel a little more thicker. So your comfortability is actually coming from your heels. You understand what I'm saying? This seems to be like strong shoes, man. You know what I'm saying? I really want to throw this against the wall. I know for a fact that they're not going to get destroyed easily. Plus, I love the fact that they're leather and they're good leather. It's tough and strong. It's not going to get messed up easily. All right. I'm loving that Neptune green. Like I said, if you're a Jordan Max Aura lover, these particular one are called the Jordan Max Aura 2. Like I said, if you are a Jordan Max Aura lover, this is another color that's been created. Another shoe in your collection, right? Let me rate this shoe, right? From wearing it, from looking at it, I've already said it. It's stylish. It's got good quality. I love the colors on it, and I give it about 7 out of 10. All right. If you are a Jordan Max Aura lover, you gotta check this out. All right. These are not very popular. All right. But for the people who know about these shoes right here, you already know. You know what I'm saying? If you like it, you like it. Everybody's different. You know what I'm saying? I've not come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, click that subscribe button. If you're not, you know what to do. Click that like button. Click that share button. Thank you again for watching my video. And until next time, just maybe, I might see you with these on. Or maybe I might not. Who knows? One easy.